Hello and welcome to Physics Basics, Newton's Laws. There are three laws. Newton's first law: an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. You could also say an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. Number two, the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force exerted and inversely proportional to the object's mass. Now this is essentially an equation. F equals ma. F represents force, m represents mass, and a represents acceleration. You can turn this around in multiple ways to find the mass. Divide by a, divide by a. Now you've got F, or force, divided by acceleration equals mass. You can also do the other way with acceleration. Third law: every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Let's go over the first law. So let's say this is a frictionless surface, frictionless ball. Someone had pushed it now with a force of 5 newtons. But then all of a sudden, bam, hits a wall. It will start rolling backwards. An object in motion will remain at motion unless acted upon an outside force, which in this case was the wall. Friction would also be one, gravity, air resistance. Many things can be an outside force. Now let's look at the third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So let's say you throw this ball into the lake. The blue representing the lake. Once it goes in, you see a splash come back out. That splash is the equal and opposite reaction. Let's say the ball was thrown in with a force of 3 newtons going down, obviously. That means the reaction will be 3 newtons going up with the water. Let's quickly look at the second law as well. F equals ma. So what we will say for short. So we've got an acceleration of 5 here and a mass of 30. This is just some object. All we have to do is simply multiply, because mass and acceleration, m and a, are technically variables, therefore you would multiply them. 30 times 5 is 150. So the force would be 150. That's all I have for you for Newton's 3 laws. Have a good day.